Amen.
Now, my dear family, please note this. We can speak to God in the midst of chaos. I'm sure as we were praying and Noah was crying, you probably thought, oh, we can't hear, we can't do this. Sometimes you have to pray in the midst of incredible chaos. And God hears you. Never forget that. So whatever you are going through, whatever is going on, remember this. He is for you and not against you. You can pray for him when the going is good. You can pray to him when the going is great. And when he blesses you, just bring it back in praise to him. And when it is difficult, remember this. He said, I will never leave you. I will never forsake you. And so together we actually say the family